morning, USA, and good evening, Philippines! Hi guys! Hi everyone! Kumusta? How are you guys? Ayan.
I'm going to
Not zoo.
yes,
Shopping mall.
I'm going a shopping mall.
Yes! Happy... Ha?
Family day.
Yes! Happy Family Day, everyone! Happy Sunday! Happy Family Day!
Stop, Daddy.
What?
Stop.
That's nice. I feel the air now.
No, ears are open. Hey, funny.
No, it's... I feel the air.
Yeah, got the windows open slightly.
Oh, I see. So, ngayon guys, ay, maliit ang aming gamit ngayon kasi... Oh, you're talking to your vlog. Say, oh, what? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Mickey Mouse. Happy Family Day! Happy Family Day! And ang aking mahal na asawa ay right there. Ayan. Oh, she feel the air now, Dad.
Yeah.
Yes. Family Day! Your clip. Okay. And so we're going to shopping mall today. Swimsuit. Yes. Toys again. Swimsuit daw.
Yeah.
So, kahapon bumili kami ng... Ha?
I said you can get some Freon over here.
What, crayon?
Freon, I mean, you know, gas to put in the car.
Ah, okay. So, okay, mamaya na ulit guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ulit ang loob ng shopping mall. And, hindi ngayon kasi, babalik kami doon kasi ang aming trabahador ay yung size na nabili niyang damit para sa kanyang children ay wrong size. Kaya babalik kami doon. So, since babalik kami doon, so bibili kami ng swimsuit ni Dante. Kaya, ito yung gamit naming car today. Yes. It's a plastic material. For cleaning, use soft cloth and mild detergent only. For detailed information on cleaning and care, refer to the owner's manual. Yeah, ito yung gamit naming car. This one, namin ngayon kasi kailangan namin to gamitin naman minsan kasi summer eh. Pag pinapahinga mo na namin ang aming red car, so nakakapanibago kasi guys, gusto ko yung malaki naming car kasi ito everyday kasi marami akong dala para akong matanda eh, katulad nito ngayon, ito talaga lagi kong dala to kasi cracker, you want cracker? Ha? Okay, this one cracker. So, lagi akong may dala dyan. Everyday, meron akong dalang clothes para kay Dalthea. And, everyday, dala. Kaya madami akong dala everyday bitbitin kasi yun yung para sa sinus ko, pang spray. Yan, pang spray sa sinus ko. And, ano pa? Basta, meron akong dala dyan na everyday kahit saan kayo mapunta. Dala-dala ko yan kasi may clothes ni Dalthea especially. And, dali ko lagi may dala akong panyo. So, ha?
Huh?
Daddy daw.
Close the door. Yeah, baby.
You want swimsuit?
Swimsuit.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll try to get swimsuit later on.
So, we're going to buy. Yan, mamaya na lang ulit. Guys.
Nice color right there.
Bye. Yes, where?
This is a nice color.
Oh, orange one? Yeah. Good morning, USA. Good evening, Philippines. Hi guys, we're here again.
Make sure you step before you step. Step on the step. Come on. Alright.
So, yeah, today is family day. And, oh, diba? Hi, Marikita. Ang aking mahal na anak ko. Marunong na siya. Yeah, good ka. Jump daw siya. Jump. So ngayon ay akin kong i-hire konti kasi hindi matipid.
It's different than here.
She's excited to buy her swimsuit. Jump, jump siya. Jumping, jumping. 50% off already. Oh, sorry, they reduced the price here this way. 50% off reduced clearance. So we're here. We're here. Huh? Two doors? They don't follow that. Come this way, Meda. Ayan, dito tayo guys. Oh, ito yung anak ko, For you? Ah. This one daw, yung fingernail. Yeah, anak. So last time dito kami nagtitingin-tingin.
No problem.
I think.
Yeah.
Go. Go ahead. Come on, don't be shy. Ang aking anak nagtanaw dito sa candy. Ay, ginaka. Tanaw daw siya. Oh. Dathaya! Love you, my love. What? Yan yung tiningnan niya. What happened? Okay. Tignan ng anak ko, guys. So, dyan ay mamimili ka lang yung mga anong gusto mo. 3 klase daw sa isang order. And marami yun sila. Kaya mamaya, bibili kami mamaya. Yan. Nakapili na aking mahal na asawa. Hanggang tingin na lang guys, walang pambili. Hindi. Meron naman pambili, pero ayokong bilhin. Hindi naman yan, kukupas din yan. Tsaka hindi rin yan. Hindi tayo yaman. So, matataba, malalaki. Hindi tayo yaman kung bili tayo ng bili, right? Kaya tingin na lang tayo, balang araw na lang pag mayaman na talaga. Diba? Aba.
So you can get the
Oh, okay. So I'm all set.
basically, I'm gonna give you this. Those ones that fit right. You just want to get this it. I know. Yeah. Those one size down.
Okay, okay. Ayan na. Babayan lang. Wala sige pakarga. Pakarga. Baka papa mo yan siya guys. Baka papa. Ayun.
Oh yeah, then don't want me no more.
Okay, get there then. Go ahead. Nagsalagsay siya. No money? You know, I don't have purse. I don't have purse. Ang purse ko, ito ang purse ko, guys.
So don't get thirsty. Hey, don't get thirsty on the street, okay?
Later na lang, anak, later. So, ang purse ko, guys, ay maliit. Ang pwede lang ilagay ng aking purse today ay aking cellphone, panyo para sa cold namin ni Daltea if ever, and ito lang stick. Hindi pwede malagyan ng iba kasi maliit ang bag ko eh. Yung wipes at saka diaper ni Daltea nasa car, sa big, yun yung ano kong purse. Pakarga na mong gamay. Kaya mo na og madiha. Nililimetan ito ah. Hi.
Give me some comfort. You see what she's doing?
So my God, next time
She's always at it, huh?
it's a $19.95.
I
It's
think
like
better than the wall one. One is that thicker, or maybe better. It's better.
I don't know. If you
Put it in your purse. Unless you want a lollipop, you know, if you ask me for a lollipop all the time. Yeah, shit on my daddy. Yeah, daddy hands are dry. Yeah.
yeah.
Good job.
Kakugihan ba? Kakugihan mo sa mong anak gamay. Ano? Ready? Smile, Dad. Daddy, smile. Smile. Smile, nak. Smile.
Picture.
Your anak, yeah, picture.
Send it to me.
Okay. Smile.
Yeah.
Asan na? Smile. Right there. Smile. Please. Smile. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at me. Everybody, say hi. Hi. Hi, anak. Anak.
You don't know the word.
Okay.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
My
Showing your
right there.
face. Ayan, ayan. Are you vlogging now?
Alright. No, I'm not vlogging.
Huh?
I'm not vlogging.
You vlogging?
Hi. Hi. Guys,
Hello,
hi.
vlog.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello, my daughter is operator. She's operating for she and I.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm ready.
Oh, you take the whole camera over?
I'm ready.
Why you take over the whole camera? You don't want to share it with me? All right. Okay. That's better now?
How about me? How about me?
Okay.
Me.
So who are you?
How are you?
I'm your mommy.
Oh,
Who are
okay.
you?
Hey you.
Who are you?
Who's crazy?
Who are you?
How are you?
Who are you?
How are you? Hi, Mark.
You still trying to do it again? Why are you doing it?
I vlog. Ay, ginako.
Why?
I vlog.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
Who are you?
Answer the vlog.
Parang nga.
Answer the vlog.
Answer the vlog. Answer the vlog.
Yeah, well, vlog. My daughter put me in the spot, so now I'm in the spotlight. Why, I don't know. But I guess she just wanted to say hi, vlog, and hello for her also. Okay? I'm out. Peace.
Indeed.
I did.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Mwah. Answer the vlog.
Bye-bye vlog daw.
Bye-bye. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Salamat too.
Salamat too.
Salamat. Salamat too. So guys, we're going to hanap-hanap a coffee shop. Huh? Go to work?
I said I guess you asked you don't go to the car.
Okay. Naantok yung aking mahal na asawa. Maga kasi nagising. You wake up early, right?
Always.
Ha?
Always too.
Maaga mo.
That's why when, you know, like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I'm on the stop on the TV.
Yeah.
You gotta understand, because when we do it anymore, it's just sleeping.
And snoring.
Oh, you see what's funny? The doctor is looking right at the bar.
Oh, I know already, but
I can smell it now. I can go too far.
I know already. Remember we here. Take a picture. Come on, sit down, my love. Here.
You get it like over here.
Oh no, it's just. Bili daw ng coffee ng aking mahal na asawa, guys. Saka tama siyempre yung anakers namin. So, makatatay kasi yan siya eh. So, yan. Maikot-ikot siya ba, guys? Ikot dari akin. Diba? Sarap mag-live. Mag-live siguro ko sa naisipan lang. Natingala man ka. Natingala ko ning lihok manggo. Natingala ko. Ginauta. Okay guys, we're done for today. Yan. Lingi na ako na. You okay? Are you okay? Come on. Ganun siya. Tarong, jump. Are you going to jump? Jump, faster na. Tangkan, biyaan na taan eh. Biyaan na ta. Biyaan na ta. Yay! Oh, go there. Ayan. Okay guys, yun lang ang aming video for today. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta ng aking channel sa aking mga ka-whitey friends. Thank you so much sa walang sawang pagpanood ng aking mga video guys. Maraming salamat. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi ha. Mag-ingat po tayo palagi. I love you all. Bye bye.